Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, today's another field day video. I know. This morning I'm actually chasing some fog. It's been foggy once again this past week, which I wasn't expecting because it said on the forecast that the humidity would drop, which it did a little bit, but not by much at all. But we do have a little bit of fog here this morning. I'm in the same park I was last week's video, but I don't want to go to that same location just because I don't want to repeat the same shots or anything like that. So there's what I'm thinking I might try and do is kind of like some, I guess, roadside photography. I don't normally do this, and I think it'd be fun because it would give me some unique shots that I've never gotten before. I'm just gonna see. It's still really dark outside. We got a full moon, or it's almost a full moon. Stars out. It's absolutely beautiful nighttime, but yeah, there's a little bit of fog coming in here, and I saw some over there. So we'll see once it gets a little bit brighter out what happens. Okay, so doesn't look like we have much fog to work with, but there is a little bit. It's like a very small, thin layer on the surface of all the plants in this kind of prairie area. I want to see if you can see it just a little bit. You can sort of see it. So yeah, I'm in the same park as it was. I know I said I would try to go somewhere else, but I did. And there was no fog in that other place that I was thinking of, when there normally would be, a foggy type of weather condition there. So we're here, and I'm on the same side I was yesterday as well of the park, so it's gonna be pretty hard not to shoot the same thing, but we're gonna try, just because I've already gotten amazing conditions for that tree specifically, and I don't really want to shoot it again. Especially because these are not as good. So we're gonna maybe look for some different scenes, maybe something a bit more intimate, more abstract, if you will. Yeah, I guess we're gonna see what happens, because I got no idea. So, oh man, I'm excited though. It's so beautiful out in the morning here. It smells good. It's chilly, but that's fine because it's gonna get nice and hot today. So, yep, I'm just gonna keep walking and hopefully find something out there. We'll see. But this place definitely has hundreds of compositions, so it's just time to look. So, the light is happening. Basically, the same thing is happening as last week, which last week was still a bit better, but. Dang, man. I was gonna go to the woods. I'm in the same location I was just at, but I was like, no, you know what? Maybe staying out in the prairie would be better because you get more fog. So I didn't go in the woods. I was gonna go back over there, but then I realized there's no fog over there, so I came back over here, and I've gotten nowhere, absolutely nowhere in trying to figure out a composition. The fog is moving fast. The light's already here, and I'm just here looking at the scene. So I think what I'm going to do is just not take any pictures. I don't know. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's just beautiful. But I think it's better to just watch it happen, and put down the camera for this morning and hope that, oh, look at that. That's so beautiful. Just hope that I don't know, we'll get some more conditions that I can photograph in different locations. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. So I didn't get any pictures today, which I'm so sorry, but it's okay because I'm out here, am I not? And there's a hummingbird right there. Awesome. Yeah, this is beautiful. Feels nice having the sun just warm your face. It's kind of chilly out. I mean, I guess because of the fog, or not because of the fog. The fog is the reason why it's here is because it's cold out, right? Anyways, I'm gonna put the camera down for now. I mean, I probably won't be taking any pictures, but if I do, I guess I'll let you guys know. I lied. Don't close out of the video yet. I found a composition, and it is amazing. It's more subtle than my previous shots here of this specific tree. Once again, it's the same tree. I'm sorry, but there's a beautiful lake. You can't really see. It's a beautiful lake, and then you have the reflection of the tree in that lake. Doing a vertical composition, 4:3 crop ratio. That could change, obviously, but it's super simple. Just centered up the tree right in the middle. You have this beautiful pastel glow of yellow in the sky, gorgeous textured fog in the foreground, and a beautiful reflection. I don't know how this picture will turn out. It's not something not a style I normally type of photograph, but I think it could turn out pretty nicely. The fog is just billowing out of this lake. It's like a massive smokestack. It's just amazing. And as time changes right now, the fog is leaving the scene, the specific scene in which I was photographing. But man. Alrighty, so I think I'm going to pack up now. Man, it's been a beautiful morning. So happy I came out. I didn't get as many photographs as I got last time, but to be honest with you, this is like my normal mountage, like 1 or maybe 2. And honestly, most of the time I don't get anything, which is why I'm so surprised I've gotten, 3 weekends of photography, which is not usual for me whatsoever. I'd say maybe 50-60% of the time I come out, I don't get anything. So I have a feeling in the next coming weeks there's not going to be anything, but who knows? Who knows? Oh man, but wow. I mean, it's just beautiful. Yeah. All right, so I think I'm going to pack up. Maybe, I don't know, I probably won't go look around for any more compositions. Just wait. The fog has now risen back to the scene. Let me take one last final composition of it. Get everything framed up quickly. Pop the image. I'm gonna go try the ND thing quick. I'll be right there. Alright, ND filter is on. Camera is taking a picture. There's a little rodent eating right over there. I think it's a chipmunk. Oh, okay. Oh wait, camera's done. Let's see how it turned out. Alright, let's try one more. Make sure the sky's not blown out. Alright, sky is fine. Yeah, it is incredible. I really didn't think I was going to get anything this morning, and honestly I would have been fine with that because, like I said, I've gotten so incredibly lucky, and the conditions are just beautiful now. Oh, the fog is finally coming in play. Right, awesome. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to pack up, head back home, and get these pictures edited, and enjoy the rest of the day, I guess. As a landscape photographer, it can be very misleading to understand if a photograph will actually turn out. I don't mind this image. It's not the best I've taken, nor is it the worst. However, there are a few elements that don't sit well with me. The first was the color. The sky was a very sickly yellow, and contrasted with a bit of cyan blue in the reflections, it just didn't look pleasing. Fortunately, I was able to fix that with the black and white conversion. But there is still one thing bothering me, and that was the emptiness of the sky. It's a blank canvas that needs a bit of detail. Currently, it's just a distraction, and even more so with the black and white conversion due to the fact that it looks blown out. I'm not 100% on this photo. I think the composition has potential, and I really like the mist, but unfortunately the sky and the colors weren't working in my favor. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright, so I've made it back to the car, and man, it was such a beautiful morning out. I know I've said it like a million times, but it truly was, and who cares, right? Anyways, yeah, it may not have been as epic as previous mornings, but man, just the ability to set up a tripod, set up your camera, set up a composition, and just being able to watch the scene slowly as it changes, especially with how the fog was just constantly swirling around the little pond. Just watching that, it was so relaxing, and sometimes that's sometimes the best part. I mean, epic light is obviously amazing, and running around and getting that rush, that high is always amazing, but sometimes just, you know, feeling that tranquility within a scene is just as important. And I think a nice variation, a variety of those two emotions, those two feelings when you're out doing landscape photography is a very important balance to kind of have. Although, to be fair, it completely depends on the person and who you are and what you look for in landscape photography. Anyways, yeah, no, I guess if there's any takeaway from this video, it's that, you know, sometimes when you are struggling to find compositions and when the light's doing great things, the best thing to do, I kind of mentioned this in last week's video, the best thing to do is to slow down and just get yourself in a new mindset, in a different mindset, you know, whatever that may be. Maybe if that's just telling yourself, okay, you know what, if I can't find anything, just I'm not going to take any pictures. I'm not going to take any pictures. What's the point? I'll just watch the scene and just enjoy it. Oftentimes what this will do is it will allow you to see different things because you are allowing yourself to do that, because you're putting down your camera. So yeah, I mean, it's a fantastic way to just really get yourself in a different mindset and be able to take new potential compositions that you may not have thought of before, or see different things that you weren't seeing previously because you were distracted on, you know, the obvious thing that maybe you potentially can't take. And I just realized the sun was in my face. So yeah, I know it's kind of a repeat of what I said last week, but sometimes repeating is good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed being out here. Maybe you guys found it to be useful, inspiring. I don't know. Anyways, definitely leave a like if you guys like the video. Have any comments or questions, comment section down below just for you guys to answer those in. And of course, subscribe if you like this channel's content. I've been really enjoying making these vlogs. This is my third week now, and it's been so fun. And I think you guys have been liking them too, because I mean, my last video, it's like at what, 170 something views, and I mean, that may not be a lot to some people, but for my channel, it's quite a bit. So anyways, oh, all right, I'm gonna let you guys go. Maybe go get some Oreos or something.